Hi guys.
Hello. Hi.
Nagpa-repair ako ng damit. Dito ako sa Habibi. Ada Pakistan na?
Ada Hindi.
Indian
Hello.
Indian shop Tailoring here in Al Saudi Arabia.
Bombay.
Yeah, nag-repair. Yan Indian. A good repair. How many years here in Saudi, Bibi? Inta kam sana kulo.
Sabah sini.
Sabah Ishwin. Aywa kulo. Sana.
Hey.
Kam kulo.
Ini Saudi ya? Sabah sini.
Aywa Sabah Ishwin sana.
Roji
Aywa.
sana.
Aywa. Sabah. 8 years in Saudi Arabia. And they are all Indian. And we have a lots of tela for the Arabs. Yeah. And
Halo hada Mas. Ada واحد تو 350.
yeah. Yeah, English.
English
Tala 150?
350.
Talata. Okay, talata
300.
300. 300.
5,000.
Yeah, 300. Yeah, iwa. 300 pesos. This one. Good imported and very expensive this one. And here. Hada
Ricci.
Malabis to Saudi?
Saudi Ricci. Ada
Yeah.
sirka Ricci. Asan hada sirka.
Aywa.
Number 1 Gumas.
Aywa, Miami hada this used for the two Malabis in Saudi Arabia.
Ada Korea.
Man and woman.
Ada made in Korea.
And then ada
Made in Korea.
Korea.
Ada made in China.
Within China.
Made in
Wow.
China.
It's very good.
Ada Kashmir. Hindi. Kashmir.
Kashmir, made in Hindi.
India.
Kam pulos.
Ada 100.
Real. Kam pulos real.
Real.
Wahid sim.
Same to kullu mukammal. Ada 160.
Mia sitin. Aywa Mia sitin. Koy.
150.
Aywa. Kois.
Kullu to.
Pulo tube. So 100 in the peso, 2,000 peso. or
Talata
100
meter.
peso. Aywa.
3 meters.
Aywa. So this one guys.
Same 40.
Yeah.
So, hada Gumas.
Mm-mm.
Cricket clothes.
Yeah. Lots of the sample.
Sample. Ada number 1 hada. Number 1. Number 1.
Ada Mia this textile.
Hi.
Yeah. Kois.
40.
And this one is very nice guys. Oh. This is for Arabs and Indian.
Indian.
Yeah.
China.
Aywa, Indian and China. This made Indian?
Eh?
Indian?
India.
Aywa.
Indian. Full
Mhm.
India.
Nice.
Ada
And Korea. So this one guys, ang ganda ng
Japan.
tela. Yeah. This made in Japan. And ito guys, labas tayo. Ito naman yung souk market. Ito yung palengke. Kung sa atin sa Pilipinas is palengke. Yan. And that way, dyan ako nagpapadala ng pera. Western Union. So, dyan yung Filipino restaurant. Filipino bakala. Ewa. And the name of the text. Okay? And I hope you like my vlog. Ito yung ginagamit nila na plancha dito. Yeah. Yan. Ginagamit nila na plancha. Yeah, Filipino.
Other friend.
Aywa. Friend.
Friend. Bye bye. Okay.
This one ordinary plancha. So, yan guys, if you want a shop like this, just do business. Same this business also. And mayroon din silang business permit. And this place is very in front of the market. And as I know, a lot of people and different nationalities came here accepting lots of dress and clothes. So if you're dreaming, or if you want to become a business owner like this, oh, follow this shop. It's very nice and very standard. And thank you. And salam alaikum, Habibi.
Salam, Rahmatullah. Bye. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank